Hello and welcome to E-Style Real Estate Property Channel. My name is Roman and today I'm going to show you 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 3 terraces townhouse in a beautiful area of Punta Prima, Orihuela Costa. Our townhouse is in Vista Azul residential complex, very quiet gated community, and at the same time only steps away from Punta Marina shopping area with shops, restaurants, bars, pharmacies literally 100 meters away. The sea is 10 minutes walk. On the entrance, we have very good size terrace where you can put dining table, soft furniture and enjoy your quiet evenings. Welcome to our house. As we enter, we are in very good size living room, very bright with lunch area and a dining area. On my right hand side there is a guest toilet with a shower and a sink. Open plan kitchen, very good size, modern, fully fitted, all appliances you need, a lot of prep space. And from the kitchen you have access to ground floor terrace with lots of space for furniture and lots of storage. And now let me show you the first bedroom. Very good size double bedroom with double built-in wardrobe and a lot of natural light. Let's go and see upstairs. Beautiful staircase leads us to the next floor. On my left hand side we have family bathroom with walk-in shower, toilet and a sink. Another good sized bedroom with double bed, double built-in wardrobe and natural light. And a very good sized master bedroom with large wardrobe and access to terrace. Look at this beautiful sunny terrace with a beautiful park view and access to the solarium. And the solarium with summer kitchen and a lot of space for the furniture. And the house has also underground car park. Today I've shown you 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse in a beautiful residential complex Vista Azul. It comes with this beautiful communal swimming pool. It is available now for 349,000 euros. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to our channel and see you next time.